How to edit text on Wix. I'm going to use the text added in my footer right here for my website. If we want to edit text, we want to double click on the text box that we want edited. It will show us if it's actually a text box right here above it. It says text, as you can see. If we want to edit this, then we gotta click on this button. We can choose the font size here. We can increase it, we can decrease it if we would like. We also can do bold. We can do italic, underlined, and we can add color to our text. It will show us colors compatible with our current theme, or we can add a custom one. So I'm just going to do red here, and I'm going to click on apply. And now, as you can see, my text is red. We can close out of this. We can also highlight it if we want to. I'm not going to do that. And we can also apply a hyperlink to our text here. So the next step is aligning. We can align the text however we would like. Bullets and numbering, decrease indent, increase indent, and change the text direction. We can also add some effects to our text. As you can see right here, we added a shadow. And character and line spacing, this is very advanced if you need it, but you can also create character spacing, as you can see here. I'm not going to go into all of that, but it's also an option here. And pretty much the vertical text, you can enable vertical text like so. As you can see, it changes it. And the last option is for SEO and accessibility. Choose HTML tag. I'm not really sure how this works, to be completely honest with you, so I'm not going to play around with this, but it's how you change text in Wix. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.